Today, I want to show you a very unique way to make a passive income using ChatGPT and a really cool and new affiliate program. Step 1 is to register for the affiliate program, and for that, type in Audible affiliate program into Google and scroll down to the first result. And on this page, click on Become an Affiliate. And on this page, you can sign up to become an affiliate for Audible. And the coolest thing is that to promote and make money with Audible, all you need to do is just give away free trial membership. So there are two options. There is a creator program and an Amazon Associates program. If you go for the creator program, you can get paid $15 for each free trial membership of Audible that you generate. Audible is a popular service where people can listen to thousands and thousands of audiobooks. And with this affiliate program, all you need to do is just give people a link through which they can sign up for a 30-day free trial of Audible. And on the creator program, Audible will pay you a $15 commission for each free trial. Even if this person later cancels the trial within the 30 days, you still get paid $15. So if you have any kind of a social media channel like Instagram or TikTok, or you run a podcast, go ahead and click here to sign up for the creator program. If you don't, it's totally okay. If you're just starting out brand new, click on the Amazon Associates program and then click on Become an Affiliate. Go through all of the sign up steps, and most of the time you get instantly approved to promote it using the Amazon Associates URL. The only difference is that when you promote through Amazon Associates and you don't have any previous history, you're not a creator, you're only going to be getting paid $5 for every free trial. And if that person then ends up converting to a gold membership, you'll also get paid $10. But you still get paid $5 for every free trial, which is still really awesome because no sale actually takes place and you still get paid. So go ahead and sign up for one of these two programs, either Creator or Amazon Associates. So step 2, let's find the most popular books on Audible. Type in trending books on Audible into Google search, and then you can click on this result, best-selling audiobooks right now, and you can see the top 100 bestsellers. Now, it makes sense to promote these books with a method that I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how to generate a ton of traffic for these books, but it makes sense to promote one of the top and popular books just because people are going to be searching for these and it's going to be easier for us to get traffic. Okay, so now you know how to find the top trending lists on Audible. Let's move to the next step, which is step 3, and that's going to be research of the actual search volume for these books. First, let's analyze this book. I'll explain to you in a second why I don't want to analyze Nuclear War. It'll make sense. So let's go and look at Fourth Wing. And for this, I'm going to be using a tool called Google Keyword Planner Tool. So type that into Google, sign up for it. It's a really good tool to use. Now, when you first get inside this tool, it's important to make sure that you get rid of your local country. It's probably going to get defaulted to that. You want global search volume. And then let's type in Fourth Wing, which is the name of the book. And I'm going to type in review and then click enter and search results. Now, this is going to tell us how many people are searching on Google for a review of these books. So Fourth Wing review. They might also be searching for Fourth Wing reviews. So let's just add that as well. That's a good idea. And we can see that between 1,000 and 10,000 people per month are searching for Fourth Wing review. So there is very high search volume. You want something that ideally has over 100 searches per month. So between 1K to 10K is perfect. And to promote the books, we're going to be using this website, vocal.media. This is a very popular website which gets millions and millions of readers every single day. And the coolest thing is that it ranks really highly in search engines because it has a very high authority. So if you place your piece of content onto this website, you're very likely to get traffic. And if you can get traffic, then you can get the sales. So here is how this is going to work. Now, let me show you some statistics for vocal.media just to show you how powerful this website is. So you can see its authority score is 61 and it's getting 723,000 organic search visitors per month. Now, this figure usually is a little bit lower. Their traffic is probably actually even higher, but you can see that they're ranking for 1.1 million different organic searches. And because this website is so strong, if you place your review of this Audible audiobook onto vocal.media, you're going to be super likely to get traffic. Okay, so we know that Fourth Wing review gets a lot of searches if there is already a review of this book on Vocal.media. The reason why we want to check is whenever you search for anything on Google, usually you'll see that only one URL from each website comes up. So hypothetically speaking, if there is already a review of this book, Fourth Wing review, on Vocal.media, it's probably already ranking, and if you publish your review, you're just not gonna rank. So you want to make sure that Vocal.media doesn't already have a review of this book. And the best way to do this is to enter this parameter, cite Vocal.media Fourth Wing review, like this, and this is going to give us any reviews of this book, and we can actually see that there's already a review of Fourth Wing. So if this is the case, we're just gonna need to work our way down the list and then go and continue this research until you come across a book that doesn't already have a listing on Vocal.media. So here I found one. This audiobook called Remarkably Bright Creatures has got really good search volume. Look at this, between 1K and 10K. But when I check on Vocal.media, yes, there are a couple of search results. However, none of them actually have Remarkably Bright Creatures review in the title, which basically means that they were not specifically targeting this search term. See, if I open them and look at them, it's not here in the title, and it's also not here in the title. So no one has actually published a specific review of Remarkably Bright Creatures on Vocal.media, which is perfect for us. It means that we can easily rank, and once we publish our article, over time we'll have a really high chance of ranking here on page 1. Whenever someone types in Remarkably Bright Creatures review, we'll have a really good chance of ranking here on page 1, getting the traffic, because we're gonna have between 1,000 and 10,000 people every single month searching for it. And from there, we can earn our either $15 for each trial membership, or if we promote on Amazon Associates program, we can get the $5 for every free trial. And then if they upgrade, we get $10. So let's see how we can get the traffic. So once you've logged into Vocal.media, click on Create a Story. And in the title, we want to put in this keyword search term, so Remarkably Bright Creatures review. Let's copy that. Let's paste that in here. You'll want to make sure that you put in the actual keyword search term that you're targeting right into the title to make it relevant so that Google can actually rank your review. Okay, and then from here, you can start writing. To help us, I recommend that you use ChatGPT. So go to chatgpt.com and let's give a command to ChatGPT. I'm gonna say, write me a 2,000 word review of Remarkably Bright Creatures audiobook. Okay, and now we've got the review. Of course, I know that it is better if you're able to write your own review and give your own thoughts, but ChatGPT at least can give you some structure. Now, if you're so inclined, of course, you can go and research some reviews of Remarkably Bright Creatures and write your own review. But for those of you who want to skip some of this work, you can get ChatGPT to write you a draft review. And it's always a good idea to go through it, make sure that you're happy with it, that everything there is correct. Write and rewrite some of the parts that you would like to make it less AI-like and more human-like. But for the purposes of this video, I just want to show you a simple way to get this done. Okay, so we've got this now. You can also use a service like StealthWriter to rewrite this content to make it sound less like AI. So just copy all of this and then paste it here into StealthWriter. With a free plan, you can do up to 300 words at a time, so you can just split it up and do it several times. Once you've got that, just take all of these and now you're ready to paste it into Vocal.media. So here in Vocal.media, just make sure that you format this to make it look nice. So each of these headings make it an actual heading. Now you'll need to add an image. So you can even just go and add an Unsplash image. All right, so this image will do. Now we just need to add some links into the text so that people can actually click through, buy, and so that we can make money. So we're gonna insert this. Click here to read Remarkably Bright Creatures for free with a 30-day free trial in a few places throughout this review. And to make it a hyperlink, just highlight all of this, then click here to make it into a link. To get your link, you can either get it from Amazon if this is where you're registered to promote, or through the creator program from Right Inside Audible. I'm going to show you how to do it from Amazon. So once you've found this book on Amazon, make sure that you're on that page and then go to this, which says site stripe. Okay, so once you're approved for Amazon, you're gonna get this site stripe, and then it says get link. So click on get link, and it will give you this link over here. So just go and copy this link, and we'll get back into Vocal Media, click link, and we will need to add this link. So this has now become a clickable link. Anyone who clicks on it will get taken via your link to Amazon, to that Audible book. If they sign up, then you get paid. Simple as that. Let's just insert it a few more times throughout this text. So I've now got it in 4 places here, then a few paragraphs down, a few more paragraphs down, and then at the very end. So anyone who's going to read my review has now got a chance to actually click on the link, which is great. So let's click Save Changes. And from here, you can now submit this for review. Choose a community, it'll be book club, and go ahead and publish this. Once it's submitted and published, it will take a few days to get picked up by Google, but then anyone who searches for Remarkably Bright Creatures review will have a high chance of finding your review, clicking on it, and then signing up for the Audible free trial via your link, and you will get paid that commission. If you thought this video was cool, then drop me a comment below, say nice video, and subscribe to my channel. Drop me a like as well, I'd super appreciate it. I teach many other cool strategies to make money in my community, to which you can get access for free. If you just go to fastervideos.com, you'll land on a page like this. Just enter your email, click this button, and then you'll get redirected to this page over here. And you can get access to the course for $0 on a 7-day trial. Just see if you like the course. The focus of this course is we're going to show you how to make 7-second videos. You don't even have to show your face for this, and get millions of views and generate tens of thousands of dollars per month. This is our proof. There is a ton more proof from our students as well. We've got students from the course making thousands of dollars in commissions. We've got students in the course getting tens of thousands of views, thousands of dollars in ad revenue, 40 million views and 50,000 subscribers in a few months. So what we show works, and if you'd like to grab access, just go to fastervideos.com, and from here you can get $0 trial on this course. And if you want to learn one more way that you can start promoting Audible free trial, then make sure to watch this video next. This is also a very powerful way to drive more traffic to pretty much any affiliate link that you can imagine. So go ahead and watch this video next. And if you enjoyed this video, drop me a like and a comment below. I'd super appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.